What's up, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy. We're in sunny Florida doing some training, and we are responding to a lot of questions that we get. So we just did a video on the new proposed remote ID system, and obviously it's a big bombshell to everybody. So we're going to start answering questions in regards to this system, because it's very, very important that everybody understands where we are with it and what their role and responsibility really is with this proposed system. So the question I'm getting right here, it says, I've been working on a response for the FAA comment section, but I'm still kind of waiting to hear back from what everybody's ideas are before submitting. As to what you said about how do we manage hobbyists from going rogue and avoiding collisions with delivery systems, etc., wouldn't LAANC in its current form work to do that? You state where, when you're flying, and give a radius of flight planning, which is submitted online. Then during those times, UAVs avoid those areas and there's no collisions. So with that said, there's a lot that's going to go into that, and I'll be glad to answer that. Thank you very much for submitting the question. So right now, all drone operators are completely on the honor system. So for example, let's say there is an airport, a major airport, an international airport 3 miles away from here, and this area is in controlled airspace. It's completely up to me whether I am going to abide by the rules and regulations or not. And if I don't, nobody's going to really know. And unless I get caught or something happens, then I'm going to get away with it. And there's nothing to stop me from doing that. Now, with the new, so LAANC is not, when you submit to LAANC, you are actually just doing that. You're still in the honor system entering data. And that's going to put in the location, you're going to put in all your flight information, but there's nothing that says what that drone operator is going to do is honest. They're the ones that are going to be dishonest. They're the ones that are not going to report where they're flying. They're the ones that are just not going to go and do anything, except they're just going to go fly as they want to. And a system like LAANC is not going to prevent them from flying. And the aircraft system itself, like DJI, does not have the technology built into it that's going to prevent that person from flying in controlled airspace unless they're a half a mile